And welcome to this edition of the Docker Training web series. I'm going to demonstrate you the capability of collaborative editing in SharePoint. My colleague Bradley Bowman had demonstrated a similar feature for Microsoft Word, and I hope you have got to know that we have co-authoring feature in Microsoft Excel as well. So this is something that Microsoft had come up with in the March update. So I'm going to demonstrate this feature. Now, the idea behind this is being like, the users can cooperatively work on documents without having to go through the traditional check-in, check-out process. Now, what I mean by that is the traditional way of working with online documents is through check-in, check-out system, which means whoever is editing the documents, time has a lock on it, and no one else can do anything until they are done. So that's one thing that, the users have kind of an issue over there. They have to wait until the document is being saved. So several people need to contribute to a document or a spreadsheet, so they need to wait, right? Exactly, that's what I meant. So we've been doing this for the Word files, and now it's much more effective. Now we can do it in Excel. So this should be good news for probably people from the finance department. When they work on a lot of Excel files, this is something that they really need to look into. So I'm just gonna demonstrate this with one of our Excel file here. So now this is our intranet portal, it's a ready to go intranet portal called Doc, which is powered by SharePoint Online. Now we have department portals like sales, finance, human resources, IT, training, marketing, operations, advertisement, and store. So I'm going to take up a scenario where two salespeople actually work on, an Excel file. So let's go to sales, and then select on sales report. Now this is something that every sales team that they really rely on. They want to see their sales report. So I'm taking up a scenario where they are looking at their second quarter results for Asia. So they have a Q2 sales report, right? Okay, so this is an Excel that's been opened by MOD administrator. This is the user. Now in parallel, let's say I'm also editing, I'm also on the same page. Now, good news is I get to see which users are basically editing it. So if you see over here, you can see my name here. Now, if I move to the other browser, yes, that's it. And also I can use the chat feature, right? So if I click on chat, it automatically signs to Skype for Business. Perfect. There you go. So I have my chat here. And we can work together on the same page. So let's say two people from sales, they are working over here. They can put in they can chat instantaneously and also make the changes over here. So let's move this up. And let's say, now this is the mod administrator user here. So let's say mod is making changes over here. So let's say it's 26 to 31 and he makes it as 40, right? And also he can watch what the other user is using. Now if you click over here, I know Sajin has put his cursor on other on this column over here. Now let's go back to Sajin's, Sajin's browser and see how it looks like. Okay, now this is Sajin's browser, and now we get to see that the changes has been done, 26 to 40, right? And also 26 to 40, and then now let's mouse over this, and you get to see that this user has been editing it. So this is one very essential feature, basically, where users, they get to know, and they can make the edits simultaneously, get their work done. So this is something which we've been waiting. I'm pretty sure users been waiting to have this similar feature come in for Excel, previously it's for Word, and in the future Microsoft is also coming up with PowerPoint. So now that's going to be even more fantastic. So especially the marketing team, they can really work on presentations for their sales team to pitch in products. So a group of members, the members from the marketing team can work on a similar PowerPoint presentation at the same time. So as you see, it's really cool, neat kind of thing to do, especially in this kind of situation where you want a document, you want to get this document done quickly, and you can also make notes, make brainstorming sessions, keep meeting minutes, and there's a kind of idea that it's all made possible through the power of SharePoint. So I hope this really gives you a good understanding of the power of this, and that's it for my video, and I'll be coming out more and more features, so stay tuned. Have a great day.